Nimeshiriki Shabiki Jackpot, nimewin. Hata pia pesa win.
I participated in Shabiki Major League Jackpot and I'm a winner. With only 10 bob, you too can be a winner.
Shabiki.com has always been about the big winnings, and today we are very pleased to be here with Stephen and Simon, who won the first ever edition of the Major Leagues Jackpot, which runs daily on Shabiki.com, where a winner can win up to 300,000 Kenyan shillings. And today they are splitting that amount, with each one of them going home with 150,000. And the Major League Jackpot consists of matches drawn from the major leagues in the world. These are matches you're familiar with. These are matches each one of you know the players, follow the leagues. And you too can be a winner.